What's up guys, and in today's video I'm going to unboxing some cool magnets I mailed from overseas. I think it was from Europe, Asia or something like that, but I'm going to cut it open and see what it looks like. And here it is. As you can see, okay, it looks like we've got some in quick start guide, some instructions, a cool card with some magnets on it. We've got yellow, white, red, purple, blue and green. And then we've got like this little socket where we can put the magnets in, and this should probably be the magnets. Upside down. Let me just do it again. Here it is. Just going to put away this stuff. Here it is. It says warning. We've got the cool magnets inside, and let's open it up. Cool. Here it is, you guys. Look at all these magnets. Okay, I'm going to look at the instruction and see if I can build some things. There is a lot of magnets. I'm going to make a chain. It says the chain right there. It says you should pull it and it will pull it gently. Okay, before the shape, the tricks and all the fun stuff, you're going to need to learn how to make a chain. Grab a ball or two, form a clump and pull gently. So this is mine so far. Didn't do really good, but look at it. It just goes on and on. Okay, let's try making a tube. Oh, it says here we're going to make a tube. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but we're going to make a tube. It says we should. It's the easiest of all shapes. Wrap a chain around your finger and boom, you've got a tube. So it should probably be really easy. Okay, let's do this. Like we're busy getting a tube. This is actually a really cool magnet. You can do a lot of stuff. You can get magnetic putty, magnetic slime, and magnets are really cool because I like them really much because you can entertain yourself a lot, and they are a lot of fun to play with, to experiment with. And yeah, this is my tube just broke. This is my tube. Cool. Okay, let's make a sheet. Start with your balls in a chain, then zig and zag them back and forth, folding there indicated. The balls should line up in a sheet, making the perfect grid. Okay, I think we're going to use these. Zigzag them. Okay. Just trying to zigzag them, it just becomes a circle. Let's try and make a really big cool circle. You can like put it over your arm. This one is way too big. Let's make it a bit smaller. Maybe about this size. You need more magnets to make the perfect bracelet. And here's our very cool bracelet. Okay, let's try and make something interesting. Look, I've made a heart. A swinging heart. Okay, I'm going to make... Ooh, what is this? It's like a hole in the middle. Could maybe be a necklace or something you can look through. I don't know, but thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed these magnets. This magnet video. If you want some, comment down below. We can tell you exactly where to get them, how much they cost. I think it was if I'm just trying to get my math right, like $30, I think. $30, yes, for these all of these magnets and the package with the instruction manual. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.